Hi everybody, another video. This is my missus's steam generator iron. Morphy Richard steam power elite. Now she's had a couple of these. This is the first one she had, which she was using with tap water that got totally scaled up. But before it packed up because of the scale, see how bad that is. If you see that little white button there, it had a little switch in there which packed up, and before I knew it she'd gone and bought another one. So I took it apart, took this little switch out, which has got a number on it which I got for $5.95. It was $10.95 delivered from America. It's got a tiny little, I don't know if you can see that little pressure switch on top. And what was that had broken, which made it US, out of warranty. So I took it apart. This was the days before my YouTube videos, and fixed that. But in the meantime, she bought another one. So my idea was to get this one up and working ready when the next one broke, and the next one did break, but it was in warranty. So they sent her a new one. So I took the one she bought to replace this one. She took that apart. I took that apart and put the new switch from this one into the new one. So then she had two. Now the new one she got has stopped descaling. It has a cycle where it uses the water 2 or 3 times and it descales. And she said to me the other day, it's stopped, it's descaling but nothing's coming out. It's got a separate reservoir in the tub here. It wasn't taking any water, so obviously it's a scale blockage, although she's now using RODI water which I make from my fish tank. So when it does descale, hardly anything comes out, but there will always be an element of scale, because where we live down here in the south, the water's so bloody hard, nothing lasts 5 minutes. Kettles get furred up. So my plan for today is this old one, which I took apart before and I soaked in vinegar to dissolve all the lime scale, which it did, but it must have left a residue behind, and it would take so many times to clean. Every time you steam more and more. I didn't leave it in there long enough, I don't think, but this one was US anyway, so I was just toying with the vinegar that I use for cleaning my fuel tank out. I left this sitting in the vinegar and it just dissolved it all, but I should have left it in there longer. So the plan is, this is now parts iron, because she dropped one and broke the back plate. So I'm going to take the back plate off this, put it on the other one, and figure out, it's got I'll show you when it's apart. It's got like a cylinder in there that holds the steam in. It takes a little bit of water and heats it up and you get the steam. So we're going to take that apart and figure out in the line where it takes the water with the descaling, and nick some parts off of this, clean it all out, take the other one apart which is not descaling, and see if we can get it descaling, because now you can see particles of scale appearing in the holes, which is where it hasn't blown itself out. So I'll take that apart. I'll do another video of it taken apart. That'll be, I'm not going to bother pausing this because it's only my phone and it will probably turn itself off. So I'll stop the video now. This will be part 1, and I'll do another video of it taken apart, and then I'll show you the separate pieces. I'll show you the switch I replaced, because that is an easy repair. Anybody could do that. It's just a matter of taking a few screws out, the top comes out, pop the new screw in. You do have to take the bottom plate out and unscrew a couple of things, and there's a tiny little solder joint you've got to do. But to replace the whole unit just for that switch, it's an easy repair. Even if you get a new one, you don't have to return the old one when they send you a new one. If it's still in warranty, you can fix the next one, and then you've got a secondary iron to use. Anyway, so that's part 1. I'll take it all apart now. I'll do another video of it in pieces so you can see all the components inside. Okay, bye.